Guys. Look inside. Oh. Here also. Yan. Yan guys. Yan ang loob na itong king box. Hindi ko alam kung magkano to. What's that, malab ko?
You fill it with water and then you can fill the water in front of the
Yeah, very nice pala this one, guys.
This is closed.
Ay, close pala. Where is, here.
Yeah.
Sabi na asawa ko, guys, maglagay ka na ng tubig dito, tapos dito. Ito kukuha ng tubig. Ganda. Ito pa, guys.
I think this is too big. This is too big, right?
For what? Huh? The cutting board. Ay, very big naman that one, but it's 200 pesos. Ay, 800. Cutting board.
It's too big, right?
800.
No, small.
Very big. My love, I like the color black. That one, no? I like that one. This. What's this I have to?
Oh, oven. Microwave oven.
And this one. Wait, what's this? Wow. Ang ganda dito, guys. Hanggang tingin na lang tayo, guys.
It goes back in when you close.
Oh.
See?
Oh. Salt and pepper shakes. Wow. As well as ang ganda ng aso.
What do you recommend of this pasta?
How about this? Wow. Ay, very nice.
Nice, huh?
Ang ganda. Very nice, guys. How about here? Wow. We can put the all the spices ba?
Yeah.
Tadaan! Ang ganda. Ay. Here you can cook.
Here where you cook.
Yeah, and all the spices here. Oh, guys, so ang ganda. As in complete. Complete siya. Tada! Or this is one. Kitchen combination marami. Only one? Guys, the price is 446,710. Included everything. What's not included, my love ko?
The pots.
The pots
The
and
decoration.
the decorations.
This.
But all of this is included. This one lang, the
The
fresh.
kitchen itself.
The
And the
kitchen.
appliances.
Nice, guys. Sobrang ganda.
Here. Dishwasher.
Wow, dishwashing. No need for us to wash.
Using that.
And the one, guys. Ganda, guys. Sobrang ganda. Hanggang tingin na lang tayo, guys. Wala pa tayong pamili. Ganda, guys. So, pag may bahay kayo, ito na lang bibilhin nyo agad, guys.